Hello, this is Brandon P.T. Davis, theatrical scenic designer, and in this Vectorworks tutorial video, we're going to cover hybrid symbols. If you aren't familiar with symbols, I recommend you watch my previous video on symbols. In that video, we covered how to create a symbol in a 2D and 3D and grouped symbol. A hybrid symbol is when you combine the 2D and 3D elements to a symbol. In this video, for this tutorial, I've created a table. The table currently is just a 3D object. I'm going to start off by selecting the components that I want in my symbol. Then I'm going to go to the Modify, Create Symbol, or hit Control K to create the symbol. I'm going to name the symbol Table, and I'm going to make sure that we're having, in the insertion point is on the 3D object center. I'm going to keep the units world base, uncheck story aware, insert in a wall. We're going to have checked leave instance in place, and change 2D objects from layer plane to screen plane, and we're going to keep the convert to group unchecked. Now going to press OK. I'm going to store this just in the resource manager. I won't put it in a folder for this tutorial. Press OK. So now we have a 3D symbol. If I go to plan view, we can see the wireframe, which is not ideal. So in order to change the wireframe to a 2D drafted model, I'm going to double click, and the edit symbol pane, I'm going to select 2D component and press OK. Now we have this component edit box up here. So we can actually create a 2D side for multiple views. But the most effective for our purposes will be on the top plan view. And we can show different sides of the object. We're going to have show 3D selected. And we're going to have this selected for all details. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the polyline tool, and I'm going to just trace the top plan view of the table would be. I'm going to class the 2D object in our 2D medium line weight class. Now it looks like an appropriate 2D graphic. I'll exit the symbol, and it says you have converted the 3D symbol you are editing into a hybrid symbol by adding a screen plane or hybrid object. Do you wish to continue? Yes. So now I have a 2D view of the table in the top plan mode. But if I swivel into any of the 3D modes, I have a 3D table. Alternately, what you could do is you can double click on the 2D component mode. We'll delete, going back into our 3D, right click, and you can generate a 2D from 3D component. You want to generate a hidden line render and press OK. The software will now generate what it believes is the correct image. In this case, it is right on. I'm going to press exit symbol. So we still have a hybrid symbol with a 2D top plan view and 3D element. Now, when it comes to allowing Vectorworks to generate the hybrid model, please note that more complex models can overwhelm your computer and cause it to crash. I recommend tracing the object yourself. This concludes the hybrid symbol tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.